Hello, welcome back. Created this soft look today which you can recreate after we get through the currency crisis, as we don't have anywhere to go right now. You can come back anytime to refer to this video. Let's get started by prepping the skin, followed by the foundation. I'm going to leave all the links for the products used in video in the description box. I'm using the beauty blender to blend in the foundation. You can use your fingers as well to blend in the foundation or any product in that matter. I'm using this stick concealer to conceal all the blemishes and the under eye area, and this gives medium to full coverage, so you can use this concealer in case you have dark circles. And I'm using the beauty blender to blend in the concealer. From the Huda beauty palette, I'm using this pink shade as a transition shade. I'm going to deposit the shade on the outer area of my eye and blend it in towards the inner area. So I need to share a quick tip here. Hold the brush closer to the bristle in order to deposit the pigment, because you have more control over it, and hold it from tip of the handle for a soft blend. I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm using this soft brown shade, depositing on the outer corner by holding the brush closer to the bristle, and I'm blending it in by holding the brush from tip of the handle for a softer blend, and the strokes are towards the inner corner. Repeating the same for the other eye. Deposit and blend. From the same palette, I am using the primary shade for this look, that is salmon color. I am depositing this pigment on the middle area of my eye and blending it in. You need to blend a lot so that there is no harsh line as such left, and the transition is really soft. Repeating the same procedure for the other eye. Deposit and blend. Using this cream eyeshadow from Kylie Cosmetics, this is the Icy Rose shade. So I'm applying this on the inner corner of my eye, and using a brush I'm gonna blend it in. This is a shiny eyeshadow. This is going to add that glam to this particular look. Repeating the same for the other eye as well. For eyes, I'm gonna draw eyeliner, very thin one, and also I'm gonna draw a very mild or a soft wing at the end. So this is going to be followed by the eyelashes. For eyelashes, I'm going to curl them and apply mascara in a zigzag movement. The zigzag movement will make sure that the product application is even. For eyebrows, I'm going to brush them first, and towards the end of the eyebrow or the beginning of the eyebrow, the stroke should be in a vertical direction, and along the eyebrow it should be in a horizontal stroke. Once you are done applying the pigment, make sure you are brushing again your eyebrows, so this will make sure that the pigment is distributed evenly. From the same Swiss Beauty palette, I am taking the salmon shade and applying it below my waterline, and I'm using Nykaa powder contour kit for contouring. I'm using this nice coral shade blush on my cheeks. You just have to smile and apply it on the temple of your cheeks. You have to blend it a lot so that it looks natural and there is no harsh line as such left. I'm using highlighter on my high points of my face. I'm using fingers for blending the highlighter. And using a brush, I'm going to apply the same highlighter on my brow bone. For lips, I'm going to apply a soft coral shade of lip gloss. So this is the final look I created. Do recreate it and tag me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.